Working from anywhere and still having time to play with my kids? I thought that sounded impossible too, because when you are used to life looking a certain way, it is hard to imagine another option. You think more money means more hours. You think building something online means being glued to your phone all day. You think a side hustle means one more exhausting thing on your plate. But what if the first step was not doing more? What if the first step was learning the right blueprint? That is what this guided program helped me understand. It teaches digital marketing in a simple way. It shows how online business works. It explains how automation can support the system, and it helps regular people learn how passive income can be built with the right structure. No huge following needed, no tech background needed, no experience needed to start learning. Just a clear path and the willingness to be coachable. That is why I share it with people who want more flexibility, more choices, and a work from home option that can fit around real life. If you want to check it out for yourself, go to www.modern-millionaire.com, enter your email, and I will send you the free blueprint and video that explains everything.